Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum price predictions and price analysis, where we are currently of course running in towards a critical level of daily resistance, and you can see it already right now for the past 5 days here, and even with today included for the last six candles, we have been seeing massive rejections by this previous very strong support level, like you can see over here. And right now we will be discussing all the things that you should be paying attention towards in order to of course crush the market as well with us all together. You can clearly see right now the RSI is starting to decrease while the prices are still sitting pretty high here. We are probably going to see some kind of a cool-off period getting started here before moving up, and I will be discussing on all the things you should be paying attention towards right now here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, and without further ado, let's go right away into the video here. So today I will be first of all starting off with looking at the 1 hourly candle. So you can clearly see right now here, previously we got massive rejections by the zone of the orange box here. Of course, on the 11th of August we started to move up, and of course we retested this successfully as support, and after that we moved up once again here, and after that right now we of course traded below it, and we are retesting it as resistance once again here. So that is of course quite unfortunate to see here, but this is right now the reality that we are facing here. So we broke through critical levels of resistance, retested it as support, but it was not successful since Bitcoin is always going to lead the market for now on, at least still, and Bitcoin was of course moving down here, dragging Ethereum with it as well. So pretty unfortunate to see right now, and it looks to be that we are right now of course pretty bearish, since we were not holding on towards our previous critical level of resistance. And if we were of course in an extreme bullish period, if we were very bullish on the 1 hourly candles, we would have for sure seen of course prices rising from this point of instead of course retesting it another time and of course decreasing valuation. So it looks to be the strength is cooling off ever so slightly as well. If we're enabling the MACD, we are seeing that we are getting a clear downtrend getting confirmed here on the MACD. We are seeing lower lows on the MACD getting formed here, lower low confirmation as well. Yesterday we were seeing already a reversal signal, just like we were seeing on Bitcoin. Lower high here on the MACD, higher high on the price action, resulting in of course a bearish divergence on the top side. So pretty interesting what played out over there. And right now as well, let me move further on towards it, since if we're looking and if we're setting up a Fibonacci here, so if we're setting up a Fibonacci from the swing low over here towards the swing high, we can identify maybe some levels we should be paying attention towards. So you can see already in the past, these levels of the Fibonacci has been showing us a lot of significance. And personally, I would of course accumulate the most amount of my Ethereum on this exact time of recording around the $2,908 range here, since this will be the range for the first retracement in the Fibonacci. So if we're really going to see this this trend cooling off ever so slightly, we could be accumulating of course huge numbers around this level, around the $2,908, like we did previously as well here. And I definitely can't wait to see how this will be reacting to the price action as well. If we're going to set up a Fibonacci from the swing high on the daily candles here, like you can see over here, if we're going to set up a Fibonacci from the swing high over there to the lower side over here, to the lower side over here, and let me set it up perfectly. You can see as well we could be maybe look for massive accumulation around the $3,050 once again here, since this level as well in the past provided this very strong support. You can see previous support, previous resistance, previous support, and we are of course closing in towards this level right now here. So I definitely can't wait to see how Ethereum will be reacting towards this level here in the future, and for sure we will be looking to maybe accumulate some new positions in Ethereum if we are going to see the significant decreasement as well. Once again, the golden pocket entry, previous resistance, previous support. So definitely make sure that you're as well paying attention to the $3,050 here right now on Ethereum, since this will be an extreme important level to pay attention towards in the coming hours here. So as well, let me move further on to the price analysis in terms of the momentum here. We can clearly see right now that Ethereum was already losing its momentum, and we have been warning you guys about this momentum shift on the Ethereum already yesterday, of course. I was seeing this over here literally yesterday, 11th of August on 11 a.m. And if we go back to 11 a.m. here, it was approximately on this candle over here, this green candle over here, like you can see. On this candle, I was, of course, saying that we were forming a bearish divergence and that you should be extremely careful right now with, of course, your Ethereum long positions, and that you could be ready to look for a short position. So since then, of course, we decreased approximately 5%. So it was already a very good signal that we gave to you guys. And if you want to be staying up to date about all these updates that we are giving here, make sure to hit that follow button here on our Twitter page, @RoverCRC, since if I'm seeing some very interesting things and I'm not able to go live right away here, I am going to share it, of course, through my Twitter page. So make sure to hit the follow button since we are closing in towards the 10,000 followers already here. So will be truly amazing if we're going to do so. So yeah, we moved down from the bearish divergence. We were seeing it on the RSI and together as well on the MACD here, since we formed a high over here. And after that, you can see one green candle here on the 11th of August, around 1800 on 6 p.m. You can see it over here. We formed a lower high clearly over here with a higher high in the price action, as well confirming a bearish divergence on the MACD. This was just a very significant trend reversal signal that we were getting, and it's very likely that we right now also reversed here. So I was already announcing on my Twitter page as well that I opened several short positions right now, and currently I am in a Bitcoin short position, unfortunately not in an Ethereum short position yet here, but I will be trying to ride my Bitcoin short position back towards 42k before, of course, opening a long once again, since I am very bullish if I'm zooming out on the daily candles here. But right now, I will be trying to catch this move towards the downside. If you are willing and if you're interested as well in day trading, you could be making some very significant gains with it. Right now, I'm as well already in 2.5k profit here with only, of course, several hours waiting here. Of course, you have to be spawning it. I only trade approximately 1 or 2 trades a week here, but I usually have very profitable trades as well. So if you're interested in it, I would first of all highly suggest follow me on Twitter, of course, so that you're not going to miss out on these signals, since we are giving these signals all completely for free on this channel and of course on our Twitter page as well. If you're right now going to sign up with Bybit here in the link in the description, you will be getting a $1,680 deposit bonus, and you could be taking a free trade. If you're depositing some funds, you could be withdrawing the funds afterwards, and you will be getting a free deposit bonus. So you have some free money to trade with. So it's definitely worth to sign up. And if you have this free deposit money, you could be already try out if trading really suits you. Since trading is not suiting everyone, but of course for me, I've been doing it right now for over approximately 4 years, and the last 2 years, the last 1 to 2 years has been extremely profitable for me here. And I also as well share usually my signals I usually as well share my last 10 trades here every week or so about what they were and how they went. And right now, of course, I will be doing it anytime soon. Once again here, you can literally find it as well on my Twitter page, where I share all my trade results here. Since I am completely transparent, it has been, of course, going very well here. It has been going very well, and I definitely can't wait to see how this will be reacting towards us. So let me move further on towards it, and let me as well discuss a current pattern that I've been spotting here on Ethereum. And currently, it looks to be that Ethereum was forming, of course, this rising wedge here. So a rising channel here, this rising wedge. And of course, a rising wedge is an extremely bearish bias pattern. And we also broke down towards the downside. And this was, of course, pretty unfortunate to see. But this is once again the reality right now in the Ethereum price action. The 4 hourly candles, of course, we were forming no exponential higher highs once again. We were forming higher highs, but in a very slow pace here, resulting in bearish divergence playing out here as well. The highs were still creeping up here, resulting in, of course, a rising wedge playing out here. I will be right away revealing my price target for the rising wedge. Rising wedge price target is $2,600. Do I expect a $2,600 Ethereum? Personally, I will be right away saying no. I don't really truly anticipate a 16% correction, but I do anticipate, since Bitcoin is probably going to make an 8% correction, to see Ethereum do approximately the same, maybe back towards the $2,900, and for maybe a swing failure pattern, like we are going to retrace back to this side, and after that start moving up once again here. So personally, I'm expecting a retracement back towards the $2,900 after seeing this pattern, of course, unfolding. So looking forward towards that one as well. If we're going to zoom in here, the daily candles, very significant chart here, guys. You can see clearly the past 6 candles have been rejected every single time here by this level of resistance. Previous very strong support, right now flipped into resistance. I've been literally warning you guys already about it for several days right now here, and right now we still have not been breaking through. As soon as we're going to see a daily candle close above this level, of course, I could be looking to be a little bit more bullish, but as long as we're trading below this level, I will remain a little bit more bearish on the Ethereum price action as well, since the daily has been forming a decreasing RSI with the prices still being steady. This will be resulting in huge bearish divergence playing out in the future, and that is, of course, making me feel pretty terrible, and of course make me feel that we want to be a little bit more cautious right now here. So we already looked as well at the Fibonacci earlier on today. As well, let me discuss the final things here. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, we know that we have been seeing a breakout through the top side here of the resistance. Since breaking out, we have been trading in some kind of a sideways channel here. We have been trading on the, of course, against the resistance and against the support here, and we have been bouncing ever since between these two ranges. And this was of course a very nice structure to see here. Lower side is definitely for me an accumulation side. The top side is definitely for me a take profit side compared to Bitcoin at least. And as soon as we're going to break through one direction here, I will be of course looking for higher prices on Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. As soon as we're going to break below it, I will be looking for lower prices on this pair here. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Make sure that you're going to smash up the like here. I will be probably looking to upload another video. I will be probably looking to upload another video later today. I will be probably uploading maybe a video here about XRP. So guys, if you're willing to see that, make sure to smash up the like button right now. And if you maybe want to be seeing a video rather about Cardano or about a different coin, make sure to let me know right now in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.